Nice up, motherfuckers. We got DS Visions over here.
Good, G.
About to cut my shit up right now. Yeah,
fuck 'em up.
about to fuck me. No, I'm just kidding. I need a fucking haircut. I don't know if you guys can tell. Can they tell, Ozzy?
No, I'm pretty sure they can fucking tell by your
Yeah,
sides.
man, my fucking hair's all fucked up. Fucking everywhere. Oh.
Well,
Yeah.
this thing's ready.
It's ready. Yeah, we fucking about to cut my shit up. So yeah. Gotta find a good camera spot so I could fucking show you guys this. So yeah, about to do this shit right now. Ready, big guys?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, fuck.
We're gonna try. I'm gonna lube this bitch up.
Put the phone vertically? Yeah, maybe.
I don't,
Shit,
well,
let me
can
see.
we though? Put in like the hole if you can. Like,
Oh, I get you.
can you?
Probably. Oh yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Is that better, everyone?
Better.
Look, dude.
What? Oh my god, bro.
I know you had a lot.
I can fucking tell. Brad joined. What's up, Bradley? What the fuck? Do I look dope or what? I gotta put my hair up because I ain't letting them touch my top of my hair. Fuck that.
Oh no, yeah, put that up. I don't wanna fuck you up.
Oh,
Did it hurt? Oh, it's right a little bit. That's right.
yeah. Tugging on the weave. Look at Ozzy with the barber's license. So inspirational, man.
I know, bro. Definitely got that shit.
Alright, boys, the haircut is complete. And I need Ozzy to get a rundown of my hair. Barber Oz.
You already know, brother. I got you. So let's just start off on his right side right here. So you already know, cut him up right here.
No fades yet, no fades.
No fades yet. I literally had just a number 4 guard, but I mean, it's not that bad. Look up, and that's his back side. Can't really see, it's kind of dark right here, but see his other side right here. I mean, I don't think it's that bad of a job. His hair's way shorter, just with the 4. Definitely we get the more guards, cut him up a little cleaner, but you already know, that's basically it.
Yes, sir. Shout out Barber Oz. Yeah, I've been out for the rest of this video. What's up, motherfuckers? Today we're gonna be putting on the back of the brakes finally. Brake calipers, I mean. Oh shit. Gonna finally be putting on the back brake calipers because the other ones that I had previously bought and were fucked up, and yeah, I have to go put it on. Or I got new ones. Other ones fucked up. Gotta get new ones. Yeah, I'll explain why they were fucked up right now, but yeah, let me just grab them real quick. Alright, so here's the fucking brake calipers. But open these bitches. Came in nice little packages. Fuck, how do you open this shit? Oh, like that. Nice. Alright, so the problem with the other ones was that where's the fucking brake right now? Oh, the problem with the other ones was that this thing right here, this thing right here, it was like pitted and it had indents in it, so whenever I put the line in, the line would just leak the brake line. The brake line I put in there, the screw, this shit wouldn't fit in there, so it just started leaking. But yeah, probably finna put those on right now, and then yeah, I'm about to bleed the brakes in a bit and finish it up and see if this bitch drives. Alright, and we back today. About to put on the
I think the wheels today. I think I'm gonna put in the wheels. Oh, like zoomed in shit. Yeah, but I just need to put in this brake. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look a line. Here, I'll show you guys right here. That line, this line right here. That line will not fucking go in. And it's pissing me off. So yeah, I have to put that line in right now. And then once that, I'll probably put on the wheels and we'll see from there. Probably get it driving finally. I'm hyped as fuck. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we either, yeah, when that gets put in. And we're back. Finally getting the last line onto that thing. Then I get to unveil to you guys the lug nuts. Prepare for greatness. Now what we gotta do is start the bitch. Oh, let's fucking get it. Oh, let's see if it turns on. If it's not dead. Fuck. Son of a bitch, it's dead. I don't even know actually. Yeah, I don't even want to crank over. Let me fix the battery real quick and then we'll see right now. Yeah. Alright boys, lights are on. Hook up the battery thing. Moment of truth. Fuck, where's the hole? Moment of truth. Start to. Oh fuck, I was in gear. Whoops. I'll do this again. Nice! Turn right on. Just needed the help with the battery charger. Huh. I wonder if I turned it off. Oh, needs a fucking charge. Whoops. My bad. Alright guys, thought I'd never see the day. Back on all fours. Let's get it. I never realized how low this car was until I actually dropped her again. Damn. This car looks insane. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Finally got the fucking wheels on. Now it's time to finally check out what is wrong with this car. Gotta drive it, see what's wrong with it, and hopefully, yeah, we'll see what's wrong with it, fix it up, and then we'll get to the fun parts. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe because this is a lot of work, and I only have like 42 subscribers. So help me. But yeah, that's it. Bye.